Hi there, this is Gena Golden with Inner Coach Counseling. I just wanted to talk to you really quickly about five fun facts about clear quartz crystals. So, fact number one is that it has many usages. They're used in watches, right? This clear quartz is used in watches, it's used in radios, it's used in clocks, it's used in oscillators, and I believe it's also used in some types of computers, right? So that's one fun fact. Did you know that the clear quartz crystal can also be very helpful in our lives like that? Also, the two of the elements of crystals is silicon and oxygen, right? So did you know that silicon and oxygen, this is what makes up this beautiful clear crystal. Another fun fact is that typically the clear quartz crystal will have 6 sides. And did you know what the sides of these are called? They're called faces. And so you would count the faces to determine if it's an actual crystal. That's one of the ways to determine it. So sometimes it's difficult to count. So you might want to find a little blemish on there like this and start there so that can be your starting and end point, right? And so if you turn it, you can count the flat sides. The flat sides here are called faces. And then this point at the top is a termination. So this is a single terminated crystal because it just has one point. If it had 2 points, it would be a double terminated crystal. So so that was fact number 3, that it has 6 faces typically, which is a hexagon. That's the 6 faces. Another fun fact is that it is the most commonly used mineral or stone or crystal for spiritual attunement and cleansing. So no matter where you are in the entire world, this is the most commonly used crystal for spiritual attunement. And lastly, it is the second most abundant mineral on the Earth's continental crust. This is the second most. So this crystal is extremely powerful. People use it to amplify energies, right? But that wasn't one of my tips, but that, I guess we can consider that tip number or golden nugget number 6. So clear quartz crystal, if you love crystals like I do, then you can't help but to love this. So I just wanted to drop you a couple of some fun facts about the clear quartz crystal, and I'll be hopping on and giving you other tips and tricks and fun facts about crystals moving forward. Take care and have a great day.